Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission. It's also finished in the sleek pure grey solid paintwork. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find your automatic headlights helping to provide brilliant visibility. You've also got excellent styling with the 16-inch alloy wheels in the Ween style. And around to the rear you'll even find the reversing camera, helping you to manoeuvre, as well as the parking sensors offering that audible aid. Into the rear you've got the barn style doors and a sliding side door for easy access, ambient lighting above, as well as the lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Making our way into the driver's side, on the door card you'll find the electric windows and the electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirror controls. Inside the van itself you've got some fantastic features, including your lighting there behind the multi-function steering wheel and the cloth upholstered seats here offering armrests and even the ergo comfort for lumbar support on the driver's side. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter functions as well as volume for the media system. You've also got the digital cockpit controls to the right and the next and back buttons. Taking a look at that digital cockpit, you can flick through the dials on either side to reveal trip computer information or media system information such as audio. On the main information system itself you've got the telephone connectivity allowing for Bluetooth hands-free calling when on the go. You've also got radio and media options, including the USB and Bluetooth connectivities, so you can stream your own music, as well as the FM/DAB offering stations from across the country. You've also got the internet radio option as well if you would prefer. You've got a navigation system built into the screen. It allows you to zoom in and out with the pinch function on the touchscreen, and can navigate you to those unfamiliar destinations. Under the App Connect you can integrate your smartphone via USB so you can use some of its applications through the screen. The camera provides a nice clear view behind with those parking guidelines, as well as the sensors also providing a diagram. Climate controls can be adjusted on the screen, which is nice and easy to do so, and you do also have the heated seats on either side to keep nice and toasty. Moving down from here you'll find some controls for the system, such as your climate and your parking camera. Underneath you've got a 12-volt, 2 USB connections, as well as a start-stop engine button, 6-speed manual transmission, and then just behind that you'll find the electronic parking brake and plenty of storage. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.